We call Michigan the Great Lakes state because our state is surrounded by 20% of the Earth's fresh water supply and 5 of the most beautiful lakes anywhere in the world. Because we are the only state contained entirely within the Great Lakes Basin, 100% of Michigan's 10 million residents depend on the Great Lakes for clean and safe drinking water. Yet we've allowed Enbridge, a Canadian oil company, to operate a 64-year-old pipeline here in the Straits of Mackinac, where nearly every day 23 million gallons of oil flow through 2 aging pipelines in the heart of the Great Lakes. Now, most of that oil winds up back in Canada and never serves any Michiganders at all. Here, the water currents are 10 times stronger than Niagara Falls, which further strains these aging pipelines. These pipelines could begin leaking at any time. It's no longer a matter of if there's an oil spill, it's when. And when that happens, we will see the worst ecological and economic disaster in the history of our state. 700 miles of shoreline will be contaminated. Environmental damage to our fish, birds, and wildlife will be catastrophic. A spill will be devastating to our recreation and tourism industry, which accounts for $23 million annually and 214,000 Michigan jobs. Our supply of drinking water will become toxic. The Michigan Attorney General has the power to stop that from happening and to shut down Line 5 in the areas most susceptible to a leak. Our Attorney General is vested with the power to enforce public health and safety laws, which Enbridge is violating by putting our state residents at risk. Our Attorney General has the obligation to protect Michiganders and our natural resources. He swore an oath to do that. He just refuses to do it. My name is Nessel, and I'm running for Michigan Attorney General. And I promise the day I am sworn into office, I will file suit in the Court of Claims to shut down Line 5 in the areas that pose the greatest danger of leaks, including here in the Straits. Corporate profits should not come before the safety and welfare of the people of this Great Lakes state. These lakes belong to all of us. And as AG, I will safeguard Michigan's natural resources, and our state will finally have an Attorney General who protects all of us.